The Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be drop testing the Blackberry Curve. This one's with Verizon. It has a bad trackball and the camera's not working on it, if I remember right. It doesn't have a battery either, so I figured we'd just drop test it because this is like the worst condition one too also. So let's go ahead and do a backdrop on it. In 3, 2, 1. Look at it. Looks like it just scuffed around the edges. This has already been broken, so I'm kind of expecting the battery cover to come off. Let's go and do a side drop. In 3, 2, 1. And like I said, I figured the back was going to come off of this. Let's see. Looks like it kind of hit down here towards the bottom front. Other than that, it looks to be in the same condition. Like I said, it was hard to tell because this one had a lot of damage on it. So let's go ahead and do the face down. I'm hoping these slow motion shots come out pretty good because I'm not really looking at them. In 3, 2, 1. Looks like it did pretty good. Looks like the trackball, actually, the edges that hit something. Looks to be in pretty decent shape still, though. Alright, so now we're just going to chuck it in the air. In 3, 2, 1. Here's the back cover. Here's the phone. Let's go slide the back on it. There we go. So it looks like from that drop, kind of hit right down there on the corner on the rubber. Not a whole lot of damage. Pretty decent still. I wonder if it still works. I'll have to grab the battery and plug it in when I get home. Hope you guys enjoyed the drop test and stay tuned for more.